In this lesson, we're gonna create this add new button. So here inside this code, we're gonna create a new component and name it add button.tsx and create a functional component rnfes. And let's go and render it here inside payment screen. So let's just render it here. We got here error, my auto import sometimes through errors. Now let's just, after removing the duplicated import, let's just format our document. Now let's press save. Now let's go and implement our pattern. So here, what we got here? We got here a container with border width of 2 and border radius 10. Just double click on it to get the border radius. So the border radius is 10 and the border width is 2. And here's the color of border width and the background color is white. So let's go and implement it. So here, let's give it style. We're gonna use inline style. Okay, so the border color is this hex color. Border width as scale of 2. Background color is white. Border radius is a scale of 10. And let's see the padding. We got here padding top and down 23 and 22. Let's make it 22. So here padding vertical scale of 22 and justify content center and align items center as well. And the text here called add new. So here let's just add new. I think 22 is a much bigger. Let's make it 15. I think this is better. The color of add new is this color. So let's style this text. Our text is 14 pixels and the color of it is this color. So inside this text, we're gonna edit style. Color is gonna be this hex color and font size is scale of 14, like this. Finally, let's just add this icon here. We can use it as SVG or we can search in Expo icons. So let's just type Expo vector icons and search for plus icon. We got here a plus. Let's use this from Feezer. Let's copy it, copy the import, and copy the render. And let's just put it here, up the text. Now let's see. The color of it must be like this hex color, like the text color. And let's make the flex direction is row to put it besides each other, like this. Let's make our button touchable opacity, not view, touchable opacity to be clickable. And let's give it some margin top. So here, margin top of 15.